Welcome to Solution Point. So today in this video we will discuss this question which is based on functions from previous year A level paper. And the question says that we have two functions f and g which are defined for all real values of x by f of x means x cubed and g of x means x square minus 1. Now f of x is equals to x cubed means for any value of x in the function of f, whenever you put any value of x it will cube that value. For example, if I want f of 1, then it will be 1 cube. If it is f of 2, then it will be 2 cube. Similarly, g of x means we need to square that value and then we need to subtract 1 from it. So g of 1 means 1 squared minus 1. G of 2 will be 2 squared minus 1 and so on. Now in the first part of the question, we need to work out for f of g of x and g of f of x. So let's start by finding first g of f of x. Now g of f of x means we need to find g of x cubed. Since I mentioned that we need to square this value and then subtract 1 from it. So it will be g of x cubed will be x cubed squared minus 1, which will be x to the power 6 minus. Now let's work on f of g of x, which means that we need to work out for f of x squared minus 1. And since we know that since f of x is x cubed, so this will become x squared minus 1 cube. So this is the value of g of f of x, and this is the value of f of g of x. Now let's start with the second part of the question. Second part says that g of f of x, which is x to the power 6 minus 1, minus f of g of x, which is x squared minus 1 whole cube. This is equals to 80. And we need to work out for the value of x from it. So let's start. So this will be x to the power 6 minus 1. And this x squared minus 1 whole cube can be written as x squared minus 1 squared times x squared minus 1. And this is equals to 80. Let's solve this. So this is x squared minus 1 can be written as x to the power 4 minus 2x squared plus 1. And we need to times it with x squared minus 1. And this will be equal to 18. So this will be x to the power 6 minus 1 minus x to the power 4 times x squared will be x to the power 6. X to the power 4 minus 1 time will be minus x to the power. Minus 2x squared times x squared will be minus 2x power 4. Minus 2x squared times minus 1 will be plus 2x squared. And this plus 1 times x squared will be plus x squared. And this plus 1 times minus 1 will be minus 1. And this is equals to 80. Let's open this bracket. So definitely everything will change. I mean the signs will get changed. So this will be minus x to the power 6 plus x to the power 4 plus 2x to the power 4 minus 2x squared minus x squared plus 1 equals to 18. Let's see what we can cancel. So we can cancel this x to the power 6 because of opposite signs. And we can even subtract, cancel this minus 1 and plus 1 because of opposite signs. So we are left with 3x to the power 4 minus 3x squared is equals to 80. Now if I just take 18 on the left hand side, this will become this. Let's divide this equation with 3. So we are left with x to the power 4 minus x squared minus 6 equal to 0. So we got this equation here, x to the power 4 minus x squared minus 6 equal to 0. Since there is no cubic term in this equation, we can directly factorize it. So since we are factorizing it, so definitely I'll be getting two brackets here. I need x to the power 4, definitely it will be x squared times x squared. And we need 6 here, so definitely it will be 3 times 2. Now since we need negative here, so obviously this will be negative and this will be positive. Now we can check. This minus 3 times x square will be minus 3x square. And this x square plus 2 times 2 will be 2x squared, which will gives us minus x squared. So we got x squared as 3 and x squared as negative 2 from here. But definitely this value is not possible because for any value of x, if we square that value, we will never get that value in negative terms. So this we need to reject this value. So x squared is 3, so which means that x is equals to plus minus root 3. So the value of x will be x is equals to plus minus root 3, which is the solution y. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you so much. Keep learning.